Can you tell us what happened?
The judges and public officials in Nigeria don't understand that the world has moved on beyond their very primordial analog lifestyle. So that's why, and because of their inability to do things in very open and transparent manner, they're always worried about technology. I'm a technologist. And these glasses, I can give them to you. Wear it. What do you see? Yes. But it's also recommended. Yes. These are transition glasses. When I'm in the sun, it goes dark. When I'm inside, it goes transparent. Transition glasses. But as I told the judge, it's also artificial intelligence driven. It has a software. It has a charger. So it helps me in communication. It reads to me audiobooks. So, but they don't understand it. And of course, it has a camera. It's called Ray-Ban Meta glasses. But I can decide to use the camera or not. In this case, I wasn't using the camera because I don't have a problem with the judge. I don't have a problem with the trial. I know it's a farcical trial. It's the same problem we had when he denied me the application to get my passport. He claimed that because the the ticket didn't look like the one he knew when he went to, I think, Umrah, that the judge did not understand that air tickets are now done in QR codes. Are you getting me? If I'm traveling abroad, I don't see my ticket. I just put the QR code against another machine. That's all. But the man doesn't understand QR codes. He doesn't understand that to book an appointment with a doctor, you don't even need to know the name of the doctor. You just do it on an app. That was why he denied but I don't think that's the reason he denied it. It's because they were interested in my passport. They were all in bed together. And you can see his demeanor today also. He's finding it very hard to defend what he did. Look at their witness. Their witness for 10 minutes said, oh, we saw a social media post that says the IG is illegal. That's all. And that they asked him to go and monitor, that Muyiwa asked him to go and be monitoring my post. Is it a crime to post on social media that an IG that has already expired is illegal? He's occupying the office illegally. That was why the judge himself was saying, why don't we respond? But we are not here to respond. We have told him this is all rubbish. This case ought not to have come before a court, but we know what they are doing. They are all in bed together. The judiciary, the police, the legislative arm of Nigeria, they are all in bed together to deny our people justice. Yes.
Do you still have confidence in this country?
How can anybody have confidence in the judiciary? Don't you know that this same court here tried me for 5 years for treason, an offense that I never committed, and one day they came to court and said, we are sorry. They didn't even say we are sorry. They withdrew the charges after 5 years. But they wasted 5 years of my life. They detained me in this Abuja by a court order for 3 years. 3 years. Received my passport for 5 years. That is the same thing they are doing now. So how can I have confidence in a court that couldn't tell at that time, at the beginning of that farcical trial, that this was not improper? The judge should have known that there's no case here. He should have thrown the case out from day one. But he's playing to the gallery, he's playing along with them, he's pretending and I've sat in his court. Many people have said it to his face that he's a biased judge. Yes. Go and ask him. He says that. They accuse him of bias all the time because of his conduct. I'm not after any judge. I'm not interested in them. But I'm not after justice. And that's the most important thing. So, confidence, zero. But will I run away because of that? Never. That's all I have to tell you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.